Okay, so I want you to have a good experience of swimming in the Arctic Ocean. I don't want you to panic and have a bad experience. So, it's one thing that is very important, and it's to stay calm. And the way we are doing that is to close our mouth and breathe through our nose. So we are walking as slow as it's possible to breathe through the nose. Also, the one thing that can get really cold is your hands. So when you go out, you can put your hands under your arm like this and walk slowly. And when you go under, you can keep your hands up in the sky and go under. If you want to, you can swim, but you should not have your hands under for very long, because when they are cold, it's very difficult to put your clothes back on. So that is why I recommend to keep your hands up from the ocean, up from the sea, for as long as possible, and place them under your arms. It's more comfortable and it's more warm. And we can talk, but we should not scream, and we should avoid doing this breathing, because then we are using our energy wrong. We need our energy to stay warm and to find peace while we are swimming. I will put my camera here. If you want, you can stand on this one.
Merci.
Are you ready?
C'est bon? On y va?
Very good.
Il est pas ouvert, la merde. Julia?
J'ai la caméra. Are you ready?
Ouais, il fait même pas froid en fait hein, quand tu sors. Hein. Quand tu sors, il fait même pas froid, ça va hein. Elle est aller plus loin, elle est en train de s'habiller.
And your clock?
Donc, alors, que je répète, dès que je vais dans l'eau,
Tu gardes tes mains comme ça,
je garde mes mains comme
tes
ça.
mains comme ça, et une fois que tu es jusque là, tu lèves les mains et tu mets pas les mains dedans parce que c'est vide. Tu
D'accord.
gèles tout de suite. Enfin, tu gèles tout de suite. C'est très très froid.
D'accord. Ok.
Si t'as les extrémités froides, ça craint.
Bon, j'y vais.
Are you feeling ready?
Yes.
Good.
Follow me.
Congrats. Very good.
J'ai avalé.
Non, bah.
I drink.
Attention tes pieds. Attention
I
tes pieds
drink
parce que tu
water.
vas prendre aux pieds.
Oh, you drink?
I drink water. It's a good.
You like it?
Tu contractes le ventre.
Bah justement, il faut pas, il faut bien relâcher.
Ah, j'ai contracté
bien
là.
respirer.
I think you did very well. Very, very well.
T'es encore en vie, c'est bon. Encore rester par arrêter.
Wait.